Hiya folks, just a quick one. First I'd like to thank all new subscribers. I got a few new subscribers last week and I'd like to say thank you. I don't usually send personal emails and that, but thanks. So if you're watching, nice, it might be interesting to hear this. What I've got is a bit of giveaway. I'm saving some seeds. Now what I'm saving are kiwi seeds. So kiwis, they don't grow in my climate, they don't grow in mine either. Well, they grow in the cellar, but not in the garden. Now what I found is some fruit, mini kiwis, Actcindia Arguta. That's as close as I can get. I've put it actually in there's a little bit of a thing that comes up. And what I'm going to do is save seeds. Now how I'm going to save them is I'm going to ferment them like tomato seeds, because on my reckoning when the fruit falls to the floor, that's exactly what it does, and it self-seeds. So I am actually doing that now. So if anybody wants some of these seeds, let me know and I'll send them out to you. They're mini kiwis and they grow in Russia and Siberia and China, so for my climate they work well, and they are growing them actually in Switzerland here. I have seen a couple of plants for 55 francs each, which I'm not going to pay, and so I'm going to grow them myself. So as I said, if you want any seeds, let me know. I'm going to save a load. And found a bit of a bargain. That's the end. Mulching. Paying for mulch, I know it hurts, but I'll try and save more stuff next year. I've got some stuff that I need to shred. But here we go. These are the kiwis I planted, not the ones that I'm giving away. These are the ones from the shop bought kiwis, but the normal kiwis. That's my hand. That's the leaf. I'm really pleased how these have come on. And what I'm going to do is probably just try and stake them up a little bit. But this is what they've been growing under since since spring. I've just had these two lights running and growing this stuff under it. Like there's the ginger. That's about 2.5 foot tall now. So even with them little CFLs, it's amazing what you can grow, you know what I mean. They're about 100 watt rated, but they obviously use about 30 watts. But I've got some other kiwis to show you. What I've got here is the kiwis what I'm going to save some seed from. These are mini kiwis. Now they're winter hardy. Winter hardy. Sometimes they're called Arctic kiwis. Actcindia Arguta is the name, and we were lucky enough to find some in the shops here. So what I'm going to do is save some seeds from these and try and plant them. Now I'm going to go and buy another pummet and save all the seeds. I'll just get a look at what they look like inside. And if anybody wants some of these seeds, because they'll grow in colder climates, they're actually growing these now in Switzerland here. So I thought, well, if I've got that other kiwi plant inside, then I should have one for outside, or two. Oh, my hands aren't in the way, but if you can see that. Just like a kiwi, you don't have to peel it, you just have to eat it. So like I said, if anybody wants some of these, I know some of you guys have got colder climates, and they are very nice. Some kind called grape kiwis also. But as I said, I'm going to save a set of seeds from a full pummet, and whoever wants some, just let me know. I'll send them anywhere, you know what I mean. And I thought that might be something interesting for guys with colder climes, because I'm a bit crazy about stuff like what you can grow, well, what's possible to grow, trying to break frontiers. And so there you go with the kiwis. One thing about this time of year, with end of season coming, is you might find a bargain available in your local garden centre or whatever, wherever you shop. Now this is bark, chipped bark from the trees. Now usually this is about £8.95 a bag. Now I've just bought 10 and got them at 4 francs each, so less than half price. I might even go back for another 10, but this is going to be the main part of me mulching up this year. Hopefully I'll be able to produce more myself next year, but at that price I couldn't resist it, and this is what I'm going to put my beds to bed with, if you like. probably cover them up with plastic as well over winter, and then see what we get. As I said, well worth a shop round.